This is Riverside Park. It's what's across the street. See the yellow gold home next to the Blackhawk peeking through? This is the B-1 River. It comes from the headwaters, Drews Lake. The land is priced to sell. What you decide to do to the 10-room house is up to you. Houlton, Maine is the oldest town in Aroostook County. It's the county seat, what we call the Shire town. Interstate 95, US Route 1, Route 2, Route 2A, they all connect here to the Trans-Canada. This is one high-traffic, 4-lane location to peddle a product, to provide a service, to have a bed and breakfast. If you decide to tear it apart, to fix it up, you're going to need paint. They'll give you a deal. They're your neighbor, Sherwin-Williams. The dumpster's in place. The home was built back around 1860-something. It's been empty about 4 or 5 years. Things grow up, vegetation happens, and you know what this thing is. They put it here to fill it up. Stay tuned for video number 2 that shows the inside of this grand old home overlooking the B-1 River. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you very much for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate channel. We'd love to help you get this one off the ground, whether you fix it or remove it and use it for another purpose. Please go down below and like this video. Subscribe to our channel if you're not already a member. And please look down below for the price, for the details on both the town and the property. It's down below in the Read More section. This bad boy out front, I think, if I know my trees, is an ash leaf maple. It's been here more than a few years, like the home.